Let's go to the main menu and click Tools. In the search box at the top of the menu, type in Notes. Then in the menu below, under Content, click Notes. The Notes window has opened up. Locate the notebook icon and click it once. We are now ready to create a new notebook. Therefore, click the plus inside the circle as seen here. A box is opened up that's labeled Untitled Notebook. This is where we name our notebook. Go ahead and just start typing 0 test. After you type 0 test, press enter and Logos will sort your notebooks alphabetically. Now fortunately, when it sorted our notebooks, we can see our note right there in the list. If you don't see it, you'll need to click on the magnifying glass and then search for 0 test. Go ahead and click on 0 test in the notebook list. Our notebook has now been created and has been selected, but we have no notes in the notebook. So therefore, click on the New Note blue button here at the top right. Your new note has been created. Notice that Logos has 3 window panes in the note window. The first window pane at the far left represents the notebook. The middle window pane represents the new note, and the third window pane at the far right represents the contents of that specific note. Let's click on the library icon here at the top left. Now in the search box, I typed in CSB because I want to open up a resource that has images. If you don't have the CSB Study Bible, then open up any resource that has images. I'm going to go ahead and click on the CSB Study Bible Notes title as seen here. I've opened up the CSB Study Bible Notes to Numbers chapter 2, verses 1 and 2. You can see the image there when the armies of Israel assembled in the wilderness. It could be depicted as a cross. So let's add this fascinating image to our notes. Therefore, right-click on the image. The right-click menu has opened. At the top left, the second menu option is Image. Go ahead and click that menu choice as seen here. After you click Image from the menu at the left, the menu at the right will change. Locate the menu option Copy and click it. The image has now been copied. Go into the third window pane, which is where we put our details of our notes, and right-click in the space as seen here. Choose from the menu Paste. Notice the keyboard shortcuts can be used as well. Depending on the size of the image and your internet speeds, it may take a few moments for Logos to upload the image, as seen here. The image is now pasted into the note file. Even though the image looks small, it actually is much larger. Let's go ahead and click the double arrow located here to expand the size of our viewable note. We now can see the image in our note more clearly. Once again, let's click the double arrow at an angle to resize our note. Now there is a second way to import media or images into your note file, and that's using the Insert Media icon located here. It's the picture icon. Go ahead and click it. This is the Add Image window. It has a lot of capabilities. At the far left, you can see the various tags. The next column over is the images you've uploaded so far. And at the far right, you can actually drag and drop images on there, or click the plus and browse for the image on your local computer. Let's go ahead and click the blue Upload button located here. With this window, you now can navigate to the location of your image file. We're not going to upload one, so go ahead and click Cancel. Logos will also let you import an image from the web. However, you need to know the specific web address of the image location. It's not enough to go to the web page where the image resides. You actually have to have the web address of the specific image. Go ahead and click From URL. Here's the box where you will copy and paste your URL of your image. It seems like Logos is going to add some features here where we might be able to add other media such as documents or media files. Once you paste the URL web address in the box, the Upload button at the right is now enabled. Go ahead and click the Upload button. Depending on the size of the file and your internet speed, Logos will begin the uploading process. For this example, I uploaded my LearnLogos.com logo. Now at the right, Logos has provided the means by which you can tag and add additional data about your image. And you can take advantage of all that information there. Now at the top right, there's some additional icons. Let's go ahead and click the first one, which is the Preview button. And here is a preview of our image. At the top right, go ahead and click the X to close our preview window. Let's click the next icon, which is the Show Details icon as seen here. Here is all the information about our picture. However, the most important section is at the very bottom right. This is where you can delete this image. So go ahead and click Delete this asset. Go ahead and click on the X at the top right to close this window. So in closing, this new feature, having the ability to take images and put them in your notes, will make your note files that much more interesting and richer.